Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're planning a solo adventure, here are 5 tips to avoid that could save you from a lot of trouble. First, don't overpack. It's tempting to bring everything you might need, but lugging around a heavy suitcase or backpack will just slow you down and make your journey more stressful. Pack light and smart, focusing on versatile clothing and essential items. Trust me, less is more. You want to be able to move around easily, especially if you need to catch a bus or navigate through a crowded market. Plus, there's always the chance you'll want to bring back souvenirs, so having extra space in your bag is a bonus. Second, avoid neglecting your safety. Traveling solo is incredibly liberating, but it also means you need to be extra vigilant. Always keep your belongings secure, be aware of your surroundings, and don't share too much information with strangers. Invest in a good anti-theft backpack, use hotel safes, and always have a copy of your important documents. One thing I always do is share my itinerary with a family member or a close friend. It gives me peace of mind knowing that someone knows where I am and can check in on me if needed. And if you're going out at night, try to stick to well-lit, populated areas. Your safety should always be your top priority. Third, don't forget to research your destination. This sounds like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people overlook this step. Understanding the local culture, customs, and laws can make a huge difference in your travel experience. Plus, knowing a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way in helping you connect with locals and navigate your way around. Before I visit a new place, I always spend some time reading up on the do's and don'ts. This not only helps me avoid any cultural faux pas, but also enriches my travel experience. Websites, travel blogs, and even YouTube videos are great resources for this kind of research. Fourth, don't stick to a rigid schedule. One of the best things about traveling solo is the freedom to change your plans on the fly. While it's good to have an outline of what you want to see and do, leave some room for spontaneity. Some of the best travel experiences come from unplanned adventures. I remember this one time in Thailand, I decided to skip a tourist attraction and ended up having an amazing day exploring a small village instead. The locals were so welcoming, and I got to experience a side of the country that most tourists miss. So be flexible and open to new experiences. Finally, don't isolate yourself. It's easy to get caught up in the idea of being a lone wolf, but human connection is important, even when you're traveling solo. Join group tours, stay in hostels where you can meet other travelers, and don't be afraid to strike up conversations. You never know who you might meet or what you might learn. Some of my most memorable travel moments have come from the people I've met along the way. Whether it's sharing stories around a campfire, joining a cooking class, or just chatting over coffee, these interactions can enrich your travel experience and create lasting memories. So there you have it, folks. 5 things to avoid when traveling solo. Overpacking, neglecting your safety, not researching, sticking to a rigid schedule, and isolating yourself. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be well on your way to having an amazing solo adventure. Safe travels. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.